boo-boos. We are back at the Loft Medford, located here in Medford, Massachusetts. And we're going in to retaper the taper. It's been about, I think the last time I cut it, I did do some cutting in September. Not here, but I just did it at home. But other than that, it hasn't been cut, so I'm in need of a trim. And we're going to take down these sides. We're going to get the mullet dealt with. But we're going to leave as much length as possible because I like having all this hair. Like, I think it's fun. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it.
For everything.